screen down a little bit. Scoot forward so you're like not leaning back in the chair, and you can have both feet flat on the floor. And we'll start with some shoulder rolls. So inhale, shrug your shoulders up by the ears. Exhale, take the shoulders back and down. Shrug the shoulders forward and up, breathe in. Exhale, take the shoulders back and down. Inhale, shrug the shoulders forward and up. Exhale, take the shoulders back and down. Do that 2 more times. Inhale, shrug the shoulders forward and up. Exhale, take them back and down. 1 more time. Inhale, shrug the shoulders up. Exhale, take them back and down. Let's reverse that action. Take the shoulders back and up, breathe in. Exhale, take them forward and down. Back and up, breathe in. Forward and down, breathe out. 2 more times like that. Inhale, take the shoulders back and up. Exhale, forward and down. Back and up, breathe in. Forward and down, breathe out. Do the reverse 1 more time. Pull the shoulders up and back and down. So nice and tall. Now we'll move into cows and cats. So you'll kind of use your kneecaps for this. So just place your hands on the front of your knees, and on your inhale, puff up your chest and look up towards the ceiling. Use your hands as leverage on your knees to pull the chest through. And on the exhale, round the spine, pull your belly button to spine and look down towards your belly button. And you can even use your legs as leverage here with your hands. And we'll move with your breath. Inhale, arch the spine, look up. Exhale, slowly round the spine, breathe out. Inhale, puff up the chest, pull the shoulders straight back, look, see on purpose. Exhale, round the spine, look back towards your belly button. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale, take your gaze up towards the ceiling or the top of the wall. Exhale, round, look back towards the belly button. No right or wrong way, just as long as you're feeling a stretch. Inhale, look up, see on purpose. Exhale, round, look back towards your belly button. 1 more time. Inhale, look up, pull the shoulders back. Exhale, round your spine, look back towards your belly button. And come back to a neutral spine, shimmy, shake out your shoulders. Yeah, and hopefully that just woke up all the muscles along the spine, waking up the neurotransmitters all the way down your spine. Now let's move into a side body stretch. So stretch your arms overhead. Take a deep breath in. I'll slide back so you can see my arms. And grab onto your right wrist with your left hand. So I'll mirror you. Inhale, stretch up and over to the side. So ground the opposite sit bone into your chair. Pull your belly button into your spine and stretch the arm up and over a little further. Take 2 more breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Super important, belly button to spine. Breathe in and set your gaze to one spot. Breathe out. Come back to center. Shake the arms out a second. And then we'll go in the other direction. Grab onto the opposite wrist of what you did before. Stretch up and over to the side. Ground the opposite sit bone down into your chair. Try to feel the cushion underneath the sit bone there. Pull belly button to spine and take 2 more breaths in and out. In and go a little deeper on the out. Come back up to center, shake your arms out, shimmy, shake out the shoulders. Now from here, bring your right ear over towards the right shoulder. So just a little stretch along the left side of the neck. If you feel a stretch here, stay. I actually feel a deeper stretch when I reach that opposite hand down and out diagonally. Take a deep breath in, as if someone were pulling on your wrist. Breathe out. And you can change the stretch just by flipping the palm up towards the ceiling. Gently take a deep breath in. Focus your eyes, get present to what you're seeing out here while also present to what's happening in your body. Release that hand to your lap. You can use your other hand to help your head back up to center and go the other way. Gentle, tilt the ear towards the shoulder. We're not trying to force anything, just create a gentle stretch along the neck. And if you need more of a stretch, you can reach the opposite arm diagonally down and out as if someone were pulling on that wrist just slightly. And take a deep breath in. Ujjayi breath out. If it felt good to flip the wrist and flip the palm up towards the ceiling, you can do that. Take 2 more breaths in and out. Focus your eyeballs, see what's out here and also present to what's happening internally. Release the hand to your lap. You can help your head back up and shake it out. We'll move into a spinal twist. I'll turn sideways for you to see. So shrug your shoulders up towards your ears to create space in the spine and in the vertebra. Sit really tall, and then twist to the left. So you could use the arm of your chair as leverage or reach your hand to the back of the chair and sit up really tall. Breathe in. Take your gaze to the left as far as it can go. Pull your belly button into your spine. Super important here to pull belly button into the spine to support the twist. And exhale. Take 2 more breaths in. Focus your eyes. Take them further to the left. Breathe out. 1 more breath in. Empty out. Slowly come back to center. And you'll move in the opposite direction of the twist. I'll turn around just so you can see. Shrug the shoulders up. Pull belly button to spine. And then twist to the right. Let the shoulders drop down your back. It feels good to use the arm of the chair. And you could even, it's kind of neat that this chair swivels. So you press the right hip forward as you pull the right shoulder back, or whatever direction you are. My chair just slid forward. Take 3 more breaths here. Sit up tall. Inhale. Twist to the right. Breathe out. Deep breath in. Twist to the right. Breathe out. Look at what you're seeing. So stay present to the world out here and present to what's happening in your physical space of your body. Slowly release. Come back to center. We'll do a little wrist stretch. So we'll do right arm forward. You can grab gently with the left hand onto the fingertips to pull the fingertips back. Only go as far as your body says is okay. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in and out. Same hand is going to get the stretch, but flex the hand down and gently stretch. So use your left hand to pull the fingertips down. Create a stretch on the back of the wrist. Take 1 more breath in. Focus your eyes, breathe out. Now take that same arm up in the air and like you're going to pat yourself on the back with your right hand, and then left hand you can grab onto the elbow and gently create a stretch in the triceps there. Take 2 more breaths here. In and out. Breathe in and out. Release the arm, and we'll create the stretch on the left side. So left hand up, pull the fingertips back, create a gentle stretch through the left low wrist at the base of the palm of the hand. Take 2 more breaths. Inhale. Focus your eyes to one spot. Exhale. Deep breath in and out. And switch the stretch. Gently release. Point the fingertips down. Pull on the back of the top of the hand back. Take 2 breaths in and out. 1 more breath in. Focus the eyeballs to one spot. Exhale out. And we'll take the tricep stretch. So take the left arm up in the air. Bend the hand like you're giving yourself a pat on the back. Bring the right arm over. Grab onto the elbow. And gently pull to create a stretch in the tricep and the shoulder joint. Take 2 more breaths here. Slow breath out. 1 more breath in. Empty out. Slowly release the hands down. Let's move into the legs a bit. So clasp your hands on the back of the left hamstring, so just behind the knee, and lift the knee up towards your chest. Take a deep breath in here. Pull the shoulders back, belly button to spine, and start to straighten the leg. Go as straight so you start to feel a stretch in the back of the left leg. Sit up tall and breathe. Press your heel away from you. If you can bring your leg all the way straight, do that. If you feel pain on your low back off. Pull belly button to spine, shrug the shoulders, pull them back. Take 2 more breaths here, in and out, in and out. Now release the leg, keep it up in the air, and point your foot and flex your foot. Point the foot and flex the foot. Point the foot, wake up the ankles and toes, and then roll your ankle out and side to side. Whoa, my leg is starting to shake. Wake up the legs, get some blood flow. 1 more breath. And then figure 4, help your leg up. Bring the ankle across the thigh. So I'm sitting cross-legged. Now use your hands on the front of your shin to sit up tall. Pull belly button to spine. Gently encourage the left knee down towards the floor. If you feel a hip stretch right here, stay right here. If you need a little more with a straight spine, start to tip your torso forward. Breathe in. Pull belly button to spine. Breathe out. And likely you spend enough time in your day rounded over. So pull the shoulders up and back, and even pull the jawline straight back as you hinge forward to create the stretch in the left hip. Take 2 more breaths here. Set your gaze, focus your eyes to one spot without thinking about the spot, just focus your eyes. Last breath, allow yourself to go a little deeper. Oh no, this might be my favorite stretch. Slowly come up and release. Shake out the left leg, and then do the other side. So grab onto the back of the right leg or whichever leg you didn't do, pull the knee into the chest and slowly start to straighten the leg. Let me turn sideways. So go until you feel a stretch in your hamstring. Again, sit up tall, pull belly button to spine. And maybe you can straighten your leg, maybe you can't. And the flexibility of your hamstrings has nothing to do with how good of a human you are. So just breathe, inhale, and create the stretch on the leg. 1 more breath. This is twofold. You're getting some core work and hamstring stretching. Now release the leg and flex and point the foot. So flex and point the foot, wake up your calf muscle, and wake up the quadricep. Now roll the ankle out in circles, circle, circle. Woo, for 5, 4, breathe, 3, 2, and come into the figure 4. Bring the ankle across the thigh. You can grab onto the front of the shin to sit up nice and tall. Pull your belly button into your spine. Deep breath in. And start to hinge forward. Breathe out. If you feel, get to the point where you feel the stretch and then stay there. Set your gaze out to one spot out in front of you. No need to think about what you're looking at. Just see it while you breathe on purpose. We'll take 2 more breaths. Go as far as you can to feel the stretch. Take 1 more breath in and go a little deeper. Breathe out. Slowly come up and plant your feet on the floor. We'll shake them out first. Shake out that right leg. Yeah? Your bodies feel a little more open. Yeah, and really it's the encouragement, how much time we spend on the computer, on the cell phone in this shape. And as much time as you can, remind yourself, just as soon as you notice, sit up tall, even scoot forward on your chair, pull the shoulders up and back, and do the thing. Do.